Bissell ProHeat 2X Lift Off Pet Carpet Cleaner. Features. In upright mode, the Bissell ProHeat gives you a deeper clean than the commercial carpet cleaners you've probably been renting. And without the hassle of having to lug it home each time you need it. The advanced technology employed in the cleaning head makes this possible. It uses 2 powered brushes that loosen dirt even from high pile and long fiber carpets. It also features Bissell's patented heatwave technology to make sure the water stays hot the entire time you're cleaning. Lifting away the portable carpet cleaner from the upright gives you the same power in a more compact package. Instead of the double brushes, the lift-away version has 2 head options, a spraying tool for crevices and other hard-to-reach places, and a 3-inch stain tool for deep, effective cleaning of upholstery and carpeted stairs. The Bissell ProHeat has a 22-foot cord and a 6-foot hose, which combine to give you a reach of almost 30 feet. The large rear wheels of the upright mode make it easy to push across carpets of any density. The only downside of this vacuum in terms of portability is the weight. It's over 20 pounds in upright mode even before you add the water. Having the lift-away option does alleviate this issue, especially when you're cleaning stairs. One of the things that Bissell ProHeat Lift Off reviews praise is the formulation of the cleaning solution. It uses Scot charge to protect the fibers from taking new stains. The carpet solution is also antibacterial and odor blocking. This means you won't have to clean as often as you would with other machines and makes it a big time saver in the long run. Pros. 1. Dual powered brushes remove even, set-in stains and embedded dirt. 2. Lift-away portable mode is excellent, for stairs, cars, and furniture. 3. Gets an effective clean of any carpet thickness. 4. Cleaning solution prevents stains and odors. Cons. 1. 24 pounds before the water in upright mode. 2. It can only use attachments in the lift-away mode.